Good evening, everyone from Studios Academy. Today we are in the theater control room of the television studio. So we've been asked to explain how the live broadcast section is divided. And we're looking at it today. It's mainly divided into three areas. The first area is the audio section, where there's a live studio that manages all the audio of the microphones and of the live broadcast. At the back, there's the stage for tonight's broadcast. This mixer sends the audio through a matrix mix. Here, a matrix mix sends the audio into the atom, left and right. So we have the matrix mix input of the live broadcast in here, okay? This atom, via HDMI, sends the audio and video signal into wirecast. Here it is, this one, okay? So basically, wirecast takes the signal from the atom. So we have cameras that manage all the audio and video parts. Above here, we have a repeater with an HDMI splitter. We can see from behind the multicam. And we send it in here, inside Wirecast. We have the entire live broadcast, so I'm not going to explain how Wirecast works because it's already known. In the output settings. In the output settings. Let me see. Okay. In the output settings, we have the ND output, which is now sending the video stream. Behind here, we have another computer, a Mac Mini, that takes the ND video stream through the monitor. ND monitor. So it takes it through the ND monitor. From this screen, we send it through an HDMI splitter to the live broadcast recorder and to all the monitors in the room, both for the audience and backstage. Here they are. We see one on the right and one on the left. Here they are. These are the monitors where they watch the live broadcast, the presenters. All right? Then the ND monitor stream is also sent to this other computer. Here we create the live broadcast for Instagram, so vertical. So this broadcast here is the horizontal broadcast 16:9. And this one is the vertical broadcast 9/16. Clearly we create it with a mask, so it's always 16:9, but there's a mask around it. All right? That's what happens. That's what happens in the routing. Here we've created a minus mix with two sound cards, as you can see. The first sound card we need is this G03 to G06, which is this one. We use it to listen to the live broadcast. The second sound card, which is C1, this sound card here is used to send the minus mix to the stage. And so also for the audience, this sound card here instead has two microphones. We use it to listen to the live broadcast. With this, we listen to the live broadcast. And with these two microphones, we speak in the rendezvous waiting room. So while in rendezvous, the guest listens to the live broadcast, they can also hear our microphones, which are this microphone here, of the technician in the control room, and also the other microphone of the author, the program's author, who is here and can speak with the guest. All right? This is the overall routing of the situation. On the stage, there are two monitors. This is the entire situation the audience sees. From here, you can clearly see what happens. I think that's everything. We actually we don't sand it. You see how it is here? It goes in there into the C1. We mentioned the minus mix. Actually, the C1 doesn't go straight to the stage. It goes into the mixer. It enters the mixer. Here it is, C1, and into mix 14, which is the hall mix. Only the C1 goes. The minus mix only goes to the AUX. Everything else is off except the live feed, which goes to the main hall. So clearly in the main hall. There won't be the presenter's speech because the theater is very small. There's no need. That's it. Greetings to everyone from the Studios Academy control room. Goodbye.